Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shirt printing machines that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the WHBFY 5-in-1 heat press machine. The WHBFY 5-in-1 heat press machine is a must-have for anyone looking to create custom designs on a variety of surfaces. With its 15 inches x 12 plate size, 360-degree rotation, and digital controls, this multifunctional machine can handle everything from t-shirts and hats to mugs and plates. Whether you're a professional printer or a DIY enthusiast, the WHBFY heat press machine is an excellent investment that will provide you with endless creative possibilities. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WHBFY heat press machine. The WHBFY heat press machine 5-in-1 combo heat press 12 by 15 inch is a versatile and efficient heat transfer machine that can handle a range of materials, from t-shirts to mugs to hats and more. The 360-degree swing-away design allows for easy maneuvering and precise printing, while the digital controls make temperature and timing adjustments a breeze. With a large 12 by 15-inch heat plate, this machine is perfect for both personal and commercial use. Made with high-quality materials, the WHBFY heat press machine is built to last and provide reliable results every time. At number 3, we have the WHBFY heat press 5-in-1 multifunctional t-shirt printing machine. The WHBFY heat press is a versatile and reliable 5-in-1 multifunctional printing machine that allows you to transfer designs onto a variety of materials, including t-shirts, mugs, caps, plates, and more. With its 15 inches x 12 digital industrial heat transfer machine, you can easily create high-quality and long-lasting prints with minimal effort. This swing-away sublimation heat press machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their products. Its durable construction and user-friendly interface make it a great investment for anyone looking to expand their printing capabilities. At number 2, we have the AKYD 8-in-1 heat press machine. The AKYD 8-in-1 heat press machine is a professional-grade sublimation machine that offers versatility and high-quality results. With a 15 inches by 12 inches swing-away design, this machine is perfect for creating custom t-shirts, mugs, hats, plates, and more. The digital display and adjustable pressure ensure precise and consistent heat distribution, while the industrial-quality construction ensures durability. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this heat press machine is a must-have for all your printing needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Slendor Tumbler heat press machine. The Slendor Mini heat press machine is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners. This compact and portable machine is perfect for creating custom designs on t-shirts, shoes, hats, and more. With a 4.17 inches by 2.44 inches heating plate, it's easy to apply heat transfer vinyl to your project. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls make it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Overall, the Slendor Mini heat press machine is a versatile and convenient tool for anyone looking to create personalized items.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.